getting up early every morning, 6 o'clock. There's a lot of work every day, 26 years on the same job. And he said, well, he gets the bills paid, live cheap and go on a holiday. The sins of his own, black or white, don't care about what the others say. He said, raise your glass, 'cause life goes fast. When it's time to leave, say hi to the chief. Driving around, a cellmate wagon at his back, side of the road with his girl, riding on the same track. Been building a little house on a piece of land that no one found. Burning fire never stops, living on in each of us. And raise your glass, 'cause life goes fast. When it's time to to the chief. They call him the chief, 'cause he got strong beliefs. They call him Joe, I hope we meet again